In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable message requests on Discord. If you want more control over who can contact you on Discord without opening your inbox to everyone, message requests are the perfect middle ground. They let people from shared servers reach out, but their messages land in a separate requests area until you choose to accept. That way, you stay discoverable without being overwhelmed. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see the small gear icon labeled User Settings next to your username and avatar. Click that to open your settings. If your interface looks a little different because of an update, don't worry. Discord occasionally moves labels around, but the gear icon for settings is always in that lower left area. Inside User Settings, find the Privacy and Safety section. On some versions of Discord, this may be labeled Content and Social, but it contains the same controls related to direct messages and safety tools. Go ahead and open it. This page has options that help you manage how people can reach you, how content is filtered, and what happens with messages from folks who aren't on your friends list. Now scroll down until you see a section called Server Privacy Defaults. This area controls what happens with messages from members of servers you're in. Look for the option that says Enable Message Requests from Server Members. You may not know, or wording very similar to that. Toggle this setting on. With this enabled, messages from people you share a server with won't go straight to your inbox. They'll show up in your message requests, where you can preview, accept, ignore, or block as needed. After you turn it on, you may see a confirmation prompt. Discord might ask whether you want to apply this change to all of your existing servers. Choosing to apply it to all servers updates your current memberships right away, which is a good idea if you want consistent behavior. If you skip that, the setting will usually apply to new servers you join, and you can adjust older ones later if needed. A quick tip for using message requests effectively. Keep an eye on your direct messages list for the requests section. That's where new invitations to chat will appear, and you'll be able to review each one safely before responding. This setting doesn't change your friends or existing conversations. Those continue as normal. That's it. You've enabled message requests, giving yourself a cleaner, safer way to handle incoming messages while staying open to new connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Discord experience both accessible and under control.